Hello friends, this is divyagoel. Welcome to my channel Creative Study with Coding, where we'll learn C coding in an effective way. In this video, we'll learn keywords, identifiers and operators. First of all, see keywords. Keywords are predefined words in C language, and we are to use these words as it is in our program during code writing. And these are int, float, char, for, while, switch, etc. And there are 32 such keywords defined by NCIC. Keywords are part of syntax. All keywords must be written in lowercase or in small letters during code writing. For example, float, money. Here float is a keyword and money is an identifier. Let's see what is an identifier. An identifier refers to name given to variables, functions, structures, etc. For example, int num, where int is a keyword and num is an identifier. Functions and structures will be discussed later. There are some rules for naming identifiers, like a valid identifier can have letters, digits and underscores. For example, num1 emp salary. And the second one is the first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. Identifiers must be unique. Remember, identifier names must be different from keywords. For example, float, int. You cannot use int float as an identifier because int and float are keywords. Last but not the least, always give meaningful names to the identifier, which makes sense. Come to the operators. There are three types of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators. Arithmetic operators. An arithmetic operator performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on numerical values, constants and variables. These are mathematical operators given over here. Let's see some examples. If int a equal to 5 and int b equal to 2, then a plus b equal to 7, a minus b equal to 3, and a multiplied by b equal to 10. These are exactly same as in maths, but division is different. In normal calculation, 5 divided by 2 gives the answer 2.5. However, the output is 2 in the program. It is because both the variables a and b are integers. Hence, the output is also an integer. The compiler neglects the term after the decimal point and shows answer 2 instead of 2.5. If you want to get decimal part, you have to take float variables in place of int. The modulo operator percentile computes the remainder. When int a equal to 5 is divided by int b equal to 2, the remainder is 1. So when we have to find out the remainder, we have to use percentile. Like 5 modulus 2 gives the answer 1. So percentile or modulus operator percentile is used to find out the remainder. And the modulus operator percentile can only be used with integers. This is the C coding to make a calculator. Compile and run it. There is a calculator performing the actions. Let's see increment and decrement operators. Increment means increase the value of any variable by 1, and decrement means decrease the value of a variable by 1. Here a plus plus means a equal to a plus 1, which increases the value a with 1, and decrement operator a minus minus means a equal to a minus 1, which decreases the value a with 1. And when an operator uses one operand, it is called unary operator. So here plus and minus are unary operators because they have also used one operand, that is a. Here you can see the function of an increment and decrement operator. File and run it and get the output of an increment and decrement operator. Let's see assignment operator. This operator is used to assign value to a variable in the memory. Here a equal to 5 means we are assigning the value of a, that is 5, in the memory. Let's understand it with another example. Here a equal to 2 and we are assigning the value of a, that is 2, to b. So the value of b will be 2. This is an example of assignment operator in different ways what we learned in the video. File and run it. Now this is an output of the program what we learned in the video related to assignment operator. Now let's see relational operators. A relational operator checks the relationship between two operands. If the relation is true, it returns 1. If the relation is false, it returns value 0. And these operators are used in decision making and loops, which we'll see further. Let's see relational operators like equal to operator. 6 equal to 3 is evaluated to 0 since 6 is not equal to 3, so the given statement is false. Let's see another relational operator, greater than. 6 is greater than 3, so it is evaluated to 1 since 6 is greater than 3. Let's see another relational operator, less than. 6 is less than 3 is evaluated to 0 since 6 is not less than 3. Let's see not equal to. 5 not equal to 3 is evaluated to 1 since 5 is not equal to 3. Let's see greater than or equal to. 5 is greater than equal to 3 is evaluated to 1 because 5 is greater than 3. Let's see less than or equal to. 5 is less than or equal to 3 is evaluated to 0 since 5 is neither less than 3 nor equal to 3. This is an example of relational operator about which we learnt in the video. Compile and run the program and get the output. Let's see logical operator. Logical operators are used to evaluate two or more conditions. It is of three types: logical and, logical or, and logical not. Logical and. It evaluates 1 if both the conditions are true, otherwise returns 0. For example, if a equal to 5 and b equal to 2, then in the expression a equal to 5 and b is greater than 5 returns 0, because condition 1 is true but condition 2 is false, and logical and returns 1 only when both the conditions are true. Logical or, it evaluates 1 if any of the conditions is true, otherwise returns 0. For example, if a equal to 5 and b equal to 2, then in the expression a equal to 5 or b is greater than 5 returns 1, because condition first is true. Let's see logical not. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical not operator will make it false, and if the condition is false, it will make it true. For example, if a equal to 5, then expression not a equal to 5 returns 0. Here the value of a is 5, that is a equal to 5 is true, but with not a equal to 5 will make it false, so it will return 0, because not is used to reverse the conditions. This is an example of logical and, logical or, and logical not operators. File and run the program. Get the output. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep watching such valuable videos. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it, like and comment in comment section, and share it as many as possible so that your friends can also learn it. All of my videos are made such a way that you can learn by picking any one of them, but it would be the best way to follow all the videos in order. For any doubt or query, you can comment in comment section, refer the description box. Stay safe, bye bye.